Hello friends, here's my new book today is Rabbits and Raindrops by Jim Arnowski. Rabbits and Raindrops. This book is dedicated to Darren. Look at the cute little bunnies. Mother Rabbit sits by her nest under a hedge at the edge of green lawn. Her 5 babies are ready to climb out of the nest for the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, must be the mommy. 5. So 5 and 1 more is... Mother Rabbit hops out into the bright sunlight, onto the green grass. One after another, the 5 babies hop out onto the lawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They nibble clover blossoms and leaves. They meet grasshoppers, spiders, and bees. All of a sudden, the sky turns dark and big, heavy raindrops begin to fall. A rabbit's fur is not waterproof. Baby rabbits can become soaked and catch cold. So Mother Rabbit hurries her babies back under the hedge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you're counting with me. From their dry shelter, 5 baby rabbits watch the rain pouring down. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Nice job counting. A butterfly flutters in under the hedge and rests on a dry leaf. Soon others come inside, out of the rain. What do you see? What came in this time? Out in the shower, honeybees buzz by, flying between raindrops to stay dry. Did you hear any rhyming words in there? Suddenly the shower ends and the last few raindrops splatter down. What did they splatter on? All together, the rabbits hop out onto the lawn. Let's count them one more time. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job counting. To taste the wet grass and play rabbit tag in the sun. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The end. I hope you enjoyed my book. And do you ever see rabbits outside? Put your hand on your head if you do. Bye.